Most people have one bank account. Everything goes in, everything goes out, and they wonder why they never get ahead. The Bible gives us a better system, and it only takes 20 minutes to set up. There's one account inside this system that acts as a protection mechanism, and once it's set up, you'll never be tempted to spend what you shouldn't spend again. I'll show you exactly how it works by the end of this video. The one account problem is simple. When everything lives in one place, everything is available to spend. You see the balance looks okay, so you spend. Then a bill hits you didn't remember, an emergency arrives, the end of the month comes, and you have no idea where the money went. This is not an income problem, this is an architecture problem. Your money has no structure, and money without structure always finds somewhere to disappear. Proverbs 27:23 gives us the principle behind this system, and the reason it works isn't psychological, it's structural. Here's what I mean. Proverbs 27:23 says, "Be sure you know the condition of your flocks. Give careful attention to your herds." Solomon is telling you to know exactly where every resource is, categorize it, protect it, give it a purpose. 3 accounts gives your money 3 distinct purposes. Account 1, the giving account. The moment income arrives, 10% moves here immediately. This account exists for one purpose: honoring God and giving to others, separated so it can never accidentally be spent. Account 2, the savings account. Another 10% moves here on payday, automatically before any bill is paid. Emergency fund, investment seed, future wealth account, untouchable for daily expenses. Account 3, the living account. The remaining 80% lives here. Every daily expense comes from here. When it's empty, you stop spending. Not because you're broke, because you're disciplined. Now here's the protection mechanism I mentioned at the start. This is the step that removes temptation from the equation entirely. Step 1, open 2 additional accounts at your current bank. Most banks offer free accounts. Label them giving, savings, living. Step 2, set automatic transfers on payday. 10% to giving, 10% to savings, the moment the deposit clears. Step 3, this is the protection mechanism. Remove giving and savings from your main banking view. Hide them, log out of sight, out of temptation. The living account is the only balance you monitor daily. If you can't see it, you won't convince yourself you need it. Step 4, live exclusively from the living account. When it's low, adjust spending. Never pull from the other 2. The system protects your priorities before your habits can override them. At the start, I said there's one account that acts as a protection mechanism. It's not the savings account, it's the living account. When 80% is all you have access to, your spending decisions become automatic. You don't debate whether to dip into savings, you can't see it. That is the system working exactly as it should. Architecture beats willpower every time. One account keeps you reactive. 3 accounts makes you intentional. Proverbs 21:5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty." 3 accounts is not a banking tip, it's a biblical plan. Subscribe to Covenant Wealth. Next week, what generational wealth actually means in Scripture, and it's not what your parents had. See you then.